Hey YouTube, thanks for watching my video on the Yamaha XT250 Dual Sport. And I finally did it. I exited the stocked rear turn signals and put on some low profiles. I'd already broken the left one and replaced it with a mismatch and all that. And so I was like, yeah, I ordered them, and I'll put link to them in the description. And they're actually a little too wide. You can see it hangs down a little bit here, but I centered them up and took the one off and put those on. See it from the rear, and I think it's gonna work out all right. Let's fire them up here. Left. And there you go. So I have discovered I fall a lot more to the left than to the right, because my right one was still fine and the left one had been destroyed and other ones put on to replace it, and those destroyed. So I don't know what it is with me and falling to the left, but that happens. And I have a right one. If anyone wants to buy it, let me know. There we go. And it's what, the 10th of November? Going riding tomorrow. Even in the mountains even. So thanks for watching my video. Ride safe, everybody.